Hey guys, so today I am going to be installing crochet locks, and these locks are 32 inches from Extra reached out to me and asked me to try their locks, and so yeah, today we are going to do it. I actually got my hair washed, deep conditioned, and braided into this pattern to install my crochet locks. I went to my stylist who does it. Since my heat damage, I've been going to her once a month just to like wash, deep condition, and then I just either wear wigs, or like this is the first time I'm going to do a crochet style since having heat damage. So yeah, let's get into the video. So this package of hair, they give you 6 packs. So there's 6 of these. I must have left the 6th one somewhere, but there's 6, guys. I just don't have them all here. But the locks are pretty nice. They are not big. They kind of remind me of the Bobbi Boss new locks. It gives me that vibe. And I'm so glad I decided to do like the cornrows instead of the individual locks, because with the Bobbi Boss new locks and with this lock, it's really thin, so to get my hair, thread my hair through, it's a little difficult for me. I'm not a stylist. I just learned from the YouTube University. So here I have these locks. They're super long. This is kind of what it looks like up close. And you get a good bundle. So hopefully this will fit my whole head. Like it will cover my whole head. I have 6 packs, like I said. And yeah, now I'm going to come back when I'm towards the top so you can see how I install them. All right, guys. So here I am getting closer to the front. It's the next morning because I needed to rest. And yeah. So far, so good. Let me show you the length. I like it. All right, let's keep going.
I went too thick.
Hey guys, I wanted to come back and show you like the final look of these locks. Again, they're super light. They're gorgeous. They only come in this natural color, I believe. And yeah, you can do crochet, you can do individuals. I like that I can even put it up in a bun. Let me show you. Because they're not that heavy, so it makes it really easy to kind of just do different things. You can just do a little top knot. There you go. I know it look kind of crazy, but you can do like a top knot, or you can do like a all-in-one, leave it out. There's so many styles you can do with this while leaving your hair protected. And I think it's perfect for summer weather. You know, summer is all about the locks and the hair out and the hair flowing. I personally think this makes me look like I have a huge forehead, so, but whatever, these things happen, right? Some styles pronounce other features more than others. So yeah, I'll leave a link down below to where you can find this hair and the pricing and all of that. Again, a huge thank you to the folks over at Extra Trend for reaching out to me to give this new locks a try. Be sure to tune in every Thursday, 8 p.m. I leave a video, whether it's about hair or fashion or a vlog. I haven't done a vlog in a while, but I'll be doing one soon. So yeah, see you next time.